iOS 26 has great tools for silencing phone calls from unknown numbers, but it's not limited to just phone calls. You can do the same for messages as well. Let's take a look. We'll go to Settings, then scroll all the way down to Apps. And from the list of apps, you'll scroll down to Messages. Once you're in the Messages settings, you'll scroll down until you see a section for Unknown Senders, and there's a few toggles here that we can use. When you toggle on Screen Unknown Senders, your iPhone acts as a digital gatekeeper. It automatically takes any message from a phone number or email address that isn't saved in your contacts and moves it out of your main inbox. These messages are tucked away into a separate Unknown Senders list. You won't get a notification for them, so your phone stays quiet, and you can still check that folder later if you're expecting a message from someone new. Now here's the thing, even when you're screening unknown senders, you might not want to miss everything. The notification settings has a toggle for time-sensitive notifications, and when this is on, iOS identifies critical messages like two-factor authentication codes, package delivery alerts, or urgent requests, and lets them break through the silence. These will trigger a notification and sit at the top of your messages list for 12 hours, ensuring you don't miss a login code just because the sender isn't in your contacts. Then there's the Other Unknown toggle. If you turn this on, you'll receive standard notifications for every screened message, even if they aren't urgent. Most people keep this off to avoid interruptions from random businesses or strangers, but if you're expecting a lot of calls or texts from people outside your contact list, like if you're selling something online or job hunting, you'll want to flip this on so you're alerted the second they reach out. You might wonder, if I'm allowing notifications for other unknown senders, why not just turn off screening entirely? The big advantage here is organization. Even if you want to be alerted the moment a new person texts you, you might not want their conversation sitting right next to your family group chat. By keeping screening on, but allowing other unknown notifications, you get the alert in real time, but the message is still filed away in a separate tab. It essentially gives you a VIP inbox for your actual contacts and a secondary inbox for everything else. You get the notification, you see the info, and your main message list stays perfectly organized. The Filter Spam feature goes a step further by using on-device intelligence to identify junk mail. When this is active, your iPhone scans incoming messages for common signs of spam, like suspicious links or known marketing numbers. Instead of hitting your main feed, these messages are diverted directly to a spam folder. This ensures that even the most persistent promotional texts don't clutter up your conversation list. And that's how you filter your messages. Click the like button down there if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy iPhone guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you next time.